Paramashiva's message directly from Kailasa. Listen. Conscious sovereignty is the manifestation of bioenergy of superconscious existence. The pure superconscious existence is Paramashiva. His own bioenergy manifesting is the initiation given to you, the Shakti Pada and Shakti Nipada given to you. Listen. To receive Shakti Pada and Shakti Nipada, you don't need any pre-qualification. The only thing you just need to trust me as I am introducing me. That's all. Listen. Listen carefully. When Arunagiri Yogeshwara, my guru, when he was giving me some initiation, it was an initiation related to astrology science. When he gave that initiation so clearly, with such detail, I understood the science of astrology. So I asked him, before you gave me darshan, you see, before Arunagiri Yogeshwara gave me physical darshan and started initiating me, I was taught many sciences by other gurus like Raghupati Yogi, Narayana Swami, Kuppammal. Many of them taught me many different sciences. I asked Arunagiri Yogeshwara, can you give me initiation in those sciences also? He just laughed and said, when I gave you the Shakti Pada initiation, what did you think of me? Arunagiri Yogeshwara asked me. I said, you are God, Shiva. That's all I know at that time. At that time, I know Arunachala is Shiva. And Shiva himself comes as Guru and gives you initiation. I was simply clear about it. It is too simple and too straight. And simply clear about it. I may have some laziness problem when Raghupati Yogi comes and wakes me up, takes me to temple for yoga, I will throw a little tantrum. All that is too small. But my cognition about my gurus were very clear. I told Arunagiri Yogeshwara, I know you are God, Arunachala, Shiva. He smiled and said, that's all you need for the Shakti Pada to work. Then he asked me, when Raghupati Yogi initiated you, what did you think of him? I said, naturally, Shiva, Arunachala comes as a guru and initiated me. That's all you need. The initiation he gave, the initiation I gave, both are one and the same, because the person who is receiving is very clear about from whom he is receiving. When you are clear about my existence, the Guru's existence, when a disciple is clear about the Guru's existence and Guru's declared identity as his cognition about the Guru, simply the Guru's initiation, Shaktipada and Shaktinipada, works on disciple. Then he asked me, when Kuppammal initiated you, what did you feel about her, or what you decided to feel about her? I said, there is no such thing as decision. I just know she is Parashakti. Parashakti came to me as my Guru and initiated me. He smiled and said, but sometimes you fought with Kuppammal, you threw tantrum. Especially when she makes me drink that bitter aushadas to clean my body, to detox me. I will do all tantrums. He asked me about it. Arunagiri Yogeshwara asked, you fought with her, you threw tantrum. I said, the tantrums are my inability, but I am very clear, she is Parashakti. Came to initiate me and give me all the best things of life. He said, that's all. That's all you need to receive the Shaktipada and Shaktinipada. He said, I don't need to reinitiate you because you are very clear. All those gurus who initiated you also are Paramashiva, God, Shiva, Arunachala, ultimate. See, at that time, the word I know for the ultimate is Arunachala Shiva. Shiva, Arunachala, Arunachala Shiva. That is the word I know for the ultimate. Now I am using the word Paramashiva because in Agama, Paramashiva uses that word to describe his ultimate existence. So I am using the word Paramashiva. But at those days, the ultimate, the word for the ultimate, I know, the Paramborul, I know, is Shiva Arunachala. So, he made it very clear, I don't need to reinitiate you because you decided to trust what they declared about them and connect. That is enough. The initiation will simply work. I tell you, please listen. Whoever trusts my declaration about me, my existence, how consciously I exist, what is my identity, how I operate, what is my inner software, what is the agamic structure. See, I exist as Paramashiva Paramborul, the ultimate pure consciousness, superconscious existence, the ultimate will, Parameshwara, is manifesting. I just know this is the truth. And I also know the Panchakritya, Srishti, Sthiti, Vinasa, Trobhava Anugraha, the creation, sustenance, rejuvenation, putting in delusion, pulling out of delusion, and liberation. This Panchakritya Shaktis manifesting in me, and the unmanifest existing in me, I just know. From this space, how I introduce myself about my gender, about my love, about my existence, about my operating system, about the dharma with which I deal myself and all of you and the whole world and the universe, how I see all this. Elaborately I have explained multiple times, I continue to explain. Whoever decides to connect with my declaration about me as Paramashiva, I bless you all and shower you all. The ultimate Paramashiva will manifest in all your life in every level. It can be as simple as you want high-speed internet connection to watch the satsang, or you want to get rid of your simple headache, or you want enlightenment, or you want third eye power manifestation, any level. You simply receive the bioenergy, Shaktipada, Shaktinipada, biomemory, muscle memory of Paramashiva. Listen. Life is too simple, too easy. My gurus taught me, gave me all the powers, the most easiest, sweetest way. I will give the same way to all of you. I'll give you the same way to all of you. The sweet way. I initiate all of you. I share myself with all of you. That bioenergy of Paramashiva, Shaktipada and Shaktinipada, with all of you. That is the gratitude I give for my gurus. When sweet smile is there in your lips, when the gratitude, bliss tears are in your eyes, that is the offering I am giving it to my gurus. The joy you radiate, the bliss you manifest, the bliss tears in your eyes, all these are only my offering to my gurus. So I will continue to work for the smile in your lips, the bliss tears in your eyes, the sweetness you experience in your heart. I will continue to work for that. I am alive, and this is my life, and this is my purpose. I just want each one of you to know I exist for all of you to have that sweet smile in your lips, bliss tears in your eyes, bliss, powerfulness in your heart, Paramashiva's Shaktipada and Shaktinipada in your being, experiencing conscious sovereignty in you all.